going to wedge this clay for using on the wheel. So I just start like this. It's a bit like kneading bread, and what I'm aiming for is a little bit of a ram's head shape. So this is like the horns and that's the nose, and so every time I'm picking it up, I'm putting it on its nose and then rocking backwards and forwards like that, and just doing that 20 to 30 times and getting ready to go on the wheel. Because of the spiral action, that works with the wheel spinning round and round. And I guess it gets rid of any air bubbles and makes your clay flexible for using on the wheel to move up and down and in centering and in making something. So at the very end here, I'll just rock backwards and forwards a little bit just to get that to flatten out and be a consistent round shape like that. And then I was going to show you, there's usually a spiral pattern in here because of you wedging. Let me actually show you that. So see, you get this round pattern here, and when you put that on the wheel, eventually putting that on the wheel, that works with the spinning of the wheel. And I'm just going to smooth that out and just get it into kind of the shape that I like to throw with. Can technically throw without really wedging, like you could compress your clay in a different way, which I'll show you in another video, but it just makes it a lot easier to throw by wedging and less problems. Okay, let's go throw something.